Okay, I'm back with my flip through of the 3 journals that we've been working on for the past few days, and this one in the middle is spoken for, and the other 2 are probably spoken for as well. And so yeah, I just thought I should let you know that this is definitely spoken for, so I'll start with that one first, just so you can see how it ended up. I won't explain too much. Oh, I did slip a little piece of ephemera in there, but I haven't put it in any of the other pockets because I've run out. So I'll just flip through. I won't explain anything too much. I'll just go through fairly quickly, just so you can be reminded of what was sort of done in these little mini journals. So this has been a fun project. I hope you've been able to follow really well and make them yourselves. And in the description box below in each video, or pretty much all of the videos, I think I have linked the kits that I have. I can't remember where each thing comes from, but what did I want to say? Yeah, I can't remember where each one comes from, but the links that I have, the kits that I have are in the description box. So this was the glassine bag. I love those. I need to do some more of those. Who knows what I'll do tomorrow now that I've finished this design team project. So love those. Just cute, fun little journals. And I'll have you know that I did use every single piece of ephemera, I think, except for one bit that didn't fit because it was too big. So every single piece was used. And if you thought I was making a lot, well, there you go. I nearly didn't have enough. So that's that one. Love the printing on the straw paper. And then that tag in there. So that's the first one. And that one is sold. And then I have this one here, Flora. And so tag in there. Love how all these things turned out. And I also thought really enjoyed mixing a few of Tracy Fox in there, a bit of Gail's laces. I felt like they all really worked really well together. I can't remember what else I put in. Oh, I had a background sort of page as well from Screech Owl Studio. This one, I really love that one. I thought that worked. I just sneezed. If I sniffle a little bit, it's just because I just sneezed. Luckily I had the thing off. It's quite torturous sneezing when you're on camera. So I'm sorry if I'm flipping through very quickly, but you have just spent like how many days with me making them, so it might become a bit repetitive, not rhetorical, repetitive. There you go. You'll see as the longer I live here, the worse the English gets, and the Italian doesn't get any better because I'm at home. So there's that 2 tags in there. And a little tag in that little tuck spot there. So I hope it gives you some ideas too, a little bit what we've done with this project. Isn't that pretty? You know, what to do with some of these little bits and pieces. And that's the second one, and now we'll look at Flourish. There's more to be explored. Now this one is super bulky. It's more bulky than the other ones. I don't know why, because I don't think it's got more ephemera in it at all. On screen, maybe I can, probably should have zoomed in a bit more for the other ones, doesn't matter. As I said, you've been going through this whole process with me for the last few days, week or so. 5 days, I don't know how many days it took. So, I mean, a lot of things had to be made to fill these, and like I made, you know, I had to make many of the tuck spots and the tags and all that sort of thing. Like all of these things were made. So it certainly does, it's not a fast process. And also I was making it for 3, so then you've got 3 times your quantity. But that being said, you do streamline the process a lot. That's the glassine bag. Just love those. Now that was that piece of paper that I had been ripping up, and that was one of the images on the paper, and I ripped it and made it into a tag. And then little one there, and those super cute. With these, I really randomly stitch around them. I don't worry too much about the shape, just go around in a fairly circle-ish sort of way. So lots of, a little bit of textile. I am wanting to do a bit more textile in my journals. I think I really like the, I love that. I love all of that together. And it's nice how Jarf's kits can all be mixed and matched. They don't have to all be, you don't have to stick to one kit. You can cut out all your bits and like, you know, I mean, that means you can make mini journals from them because there's so many things in them. And that's the end of that one, and that is the back. Oh, did I show you the back of the other ones? How pretty are they? I mean, they're even pretty backwards. You could have backwards journals. So there you go. Love them. So thank you for following me on this. I didn't put anything in here, as I said. Maybe I'll give a bit of ephemera, and that way whoever has them can do that themselves. Have a bit of fun, and I will be back tomorrow. Bye.